Claude Cowork, which, really fits in largely to kind of your day-to-day, I imagine. It's a new agentic feature in the Claude. Is it just isolated to the macOS app of Claude for now?
I can't remember if they did. I think it is just Mac right now, but I could be wrong on that one. It's a good
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, but it lets Claude read, edit, create files in folders that you choose, basically have access to some aspect that I imagine you give it explicit access to of your computer, having that direct hook to, say your desktop, or,
Yeah.
if you have notes scattered around, you want to structure those into docs or spreadsheets, or, multi-step tasks, that sort of stuff. But yeah, why don't you kind of put it in your own words? Because I don't know, have you
Yeah.
worked with this yet?
Yeah,
Or
for sure,
like,
for
what's your
sure.
thought?
So, like, every day, like, when thinking about this stuff, it's like, these are those tools, and I think Claude is hitting it, or Anthropic. How do we make it practical for the average, just someone getting a job done, someone on their computer, someone working they're not a developer or builder, and like, here you go, you got something here that it seems like they get it, like, they actually have real people in the office who they're working with to make this stuff. So with Cowork, I could say, hey, here's my Notion, integrate with Notion. It can grab my notes out of there and it could build something from that. It could build something from files on my disk drive. So,
Hmm.
and then it can take over my browser to the point where I have another Mac mini over there that eventually I'm just going to be having that do all the work and have it be running over there long term.
Hmm.
So yeah, it was interesting because it took over my browser, took over, and I'm like, oh no, can I not move the mouse? But it seems like I could, and so I was doing all things at once while I was working on something else. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of neat. So I think they're on a good path here.
How much setup does it take to get this kind of running?
I mean, installing
Is
the
it just install this app? And by the way, it is just a Mac OS app. I
yeah,
just came across that, but yeah.
it's a good question. It is honestly that simple, but it's the concepts that are hard to really get across here. I think, like, what is
I
this? How
see.
does it organize my work? We're used now to projects, but now we have projects with context, instructions. We have Cowork with access to all these different tools, Notion, Google Drive. The list goes on, Linear, whatever you can imagine. Like, at
Mhm.
what point? So yeah, the setup is easy, but really understanding its potential is hard. So
Oh, wow. So this video that they have embedded in the blog is like, man, I know this desktop well. It's like a desktop filled with
yeah,
folders and
yeah, yeah, yeah,
images and everything
yeah,
scattered. And I imagine they're saying, all
yeah.
right, Cowork, take a look at everything on this desktop and not just clean it up, but like organize it, create folders that make sense for all of these types of files that fall into this category by your estimation. They go over here and these go over there. And that's just kind of like one example of how it could really do something useful on your machine, given you've given it the permission to do
Yeah.
so.
Or like, think about, hey, Descript is a video editor, right? Like, what
Hmm.
if I say go take it over and go edit my video? Like, at some point,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, like, it's like this paradigm of like, hey, we have Tesla with their self-driving cars, right? But it's
Hmm.
almost like this moment of like, forget the self-driving car and make a decent robot that can sit in the car and drive it for me, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
it's almost like a funny parallel there, but it is, so far it's been neat. It's been really useful for me, and then my customers or whoever I'm trying to help or support or explain this to, how do they use it in their day-to-day business to maybe automate just one thing, so
Yeah. Well, so that's a really good question. Maybe better left for later, but I'll ask it now because it's coming up with this story. Is like, when a new tool like this comes out,
yeah,
like new tools are coming out all the friggin' time. Like,
yeah,
how do you
yeah,
even know that it's like, what, this is a solid choice for someone
yeah.
to integrate this instead of something else? I mean, is it just like because some people have an affinity for Anthropic's approach, or is it this
Right.
thing is just simply better at doing this thing versus something else?